How to create Chatflow with Hubspot free AI.
Now to do that, you can see in here left sidebar. So for this case, you can actually see a lot of things, like for example, automations. And under the automations right here, you can see your chat flows. So let's head over and click on this chat flows right here. And you have now seen this chat. So here's our chat right here. Click on this create chat flow. And then it will ask you where you would like to add this chat flow. So right now, let's add it on our website. Let's click on this website right here, and you can set this chat right here. So you just need to set up your chat widget. Click on the setup chat if you want, but you can also opt out for the maybe later. But since we're there now, let's head over and set it up. So here is the preview. So let's choose in here a purple color, or you can also customize it according to your liking. Click on this next right here, and you can also add in here specific users and theme. Like for example, the theme that you have, and you can also put in here a welcome message, and also automatic assign conversations. So you can actually enable that, but it requires a subscription. So head over and click on next once you're satisfied with that. And you can also put in here a chat operating hours. So we can put in here every day, and also the time right here. And you can also opt out if this chat is available 24/7. So you can also put in your availability behavior as well, and also typically reply time. Click on this next right here. And then this will show the preview of this chat that you have. So there's a preview on your desktop. And when you click on this tablet, this will be what it looked like on a tablet. And on the mobile, this is what it will look. Now click on next once you're satisfied with that. And then in here, you can see this installation for HubSpot chat. So you just need to head over and then place this code on the body tag of the page that you want to enable the HubSpot on. So just copy this and then install this right here on any page that you want to enable this. So once you have installed this, you can head over and then go on your settings. As you can see right here, live chat is now connected. So you can click on this view message in inbox. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here a new page. So on this new page right here, you can also see in here some inboxes that are open and the likes. And you can actually use AI for this one because you can actually use this as an AI where an AI can respond in place of yourself.
So that's how you create Chatflow with Hubspot free AI. Hope we helped.